Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you missed a property tax deadline and then felt that sinking feeling as you realized a penalty was coming? It happens to many homeowners, and the thought of those extra fees can be incredibly stressful. Yes, in many jurisdictions, property tax late payment penalties can sometimes be waived, but it is not guaranteed and usually requires specific circumstances. While it is rare, successfully petitioning for a waiver depends heavily on the reason for the late payment and the policies of your local tax authority. The primary reason waivers exist is to provide a degree of flexibility for taxpayers facing unavoidable hardships or administrative errors, rather than to excuse simple oversight. Most tax authorities operate under state statutes or local ordinances that outline precise grounds for penalty relief. Common acceptable reasons often include serious illness, death of a family member, natural disaster, or documented errors by the tax assessor's office itself. They generally distinguish between situations that are genuinely out of your control and those that are due to negligence. This distinction is crucial because the intent is not to undermine the enforcement of timely payments, which are vital for funding local services. If you find yourself in this situation, the first and most critical step is to contact your local property tax assessor's office or the tax collector's office immediately. Clearly explain your circumstances and ask about their specific waiver application process and requirements. You will likely need to submit a written request or a formal petition, along with any supporting documentation that verifies your claim. This might include medical records, an obituary, insurance claims for disaster damage, or correspondence from the tax office acknowledging an error. Be prepared to provide clear evidence and follow up diligently to ensure your request is processed. Many jurisdictions have specific forms or online portals for requesting a penalty abatement, which is the official term for a waiver. Understanding whether your situation falls under a reasonable cause provision, a common legal standard for such relief, can significantly strengthen your case. Additionally, some areas offer a one-time waiver for first offenders, recognizing that mistakes can happen, especially for new homeowners. Knowing these local nuances can help you navigate the process more effectively. Ultimately, proactively understanding your local tax authority's policies and acting swiftly if a payment is missed can provide the best possible outcome. Even if a full waiver is not possible, demonstrating a good faith effort to resolve the issue can sometimes lead to reduced penalties or a more manageable payment arrangement, helping you protect your financial well-being and avoid unnecessary stress.